Jojulapa, Newa Language Learning Chapter 46, Love SMS. Please remember Apple technologies for website designing, software development, and web application development. Number 1. You are my dream. Chaa, jigu, mhagasa, khwe. Chaa, jigu, mhagasa, khwe. Number 2. I can climb the highest mountain with you. I can climb the highest mountain with your love. Changu, Matina, napa, dakle, tajagu, chwapugu, fu. Changu, Matina, napa, dakle, tajagu, chwapugu, fu. I love you and will always be with you. Chanta, Matina, yana. Ale, nhyable, Changu, napa, chone. Chanta, Matina, yana. Ale, nhyable, Changu, napa, chone. I love it when you look at me. Chaa, jita, swoyaegu, sikka. Chaa, jita, swoyaegu, sikka. Chaa, jita, swoyaegu, sikka. I love you, my love. Chanta, Matina, yana, jigu, Matina. Chanta, Matina, yana, jigu, Matina. I want to be with you always. Nhyable, Changu, napa, masaywo. Nhyable, Changu, napa, masaywo. Love is thing which cannot be stolen. Matina, gablena, khwe, makhu. Matina, gablena, khwe, makhu. If being in love with you is a crime, then arrest me. Changu, napa, Matina, yaegu, khwe, jita, jwona, yanki. Changu, napa, Matina, yaegu, khwe, jita, jwona, yanki. You understand me. Chaa, jita, twiki. You are a award sent by God to me. Swoyaegu, khwe, jita. Swoyaegu, khwe, jita. In bad time, just remember that I love you. Bamlagu, ile, chanta, Matina, yana, lumanki. Bamlagu, ile, chanta, Matina, yana, lumanki. You make my heart melt. Chaa, jigu, nuga, naki. Chaa, jigu, nuga, naki. Subh hai.